Hey everyone, Michael here. Hope you guys all had a fantastic weekend for the 4th of July. Today I'm going to show you guys about 4 different stocks that I think have a good chance of making you some money in the next week or so, possibly the next 2 weeks as well, right? First we have Microsoft. You can see it's been kind of consolidating for the past few months, but it's been still going up pretty nicely. But we finally have a decent breakout. You can see we've done a few trades on it so far, 1, 2, 3, all with fantastic gains, especially if you guys are into options. But this trend line that we've been having, or we've been watching since September 1st, basically, it finally broke out now, right? And that's a long trend line, so good news, Microsoft's on the way up. This could be a similar play to Apple, guys. If you are looking to buy some options here, probably look to buy some options that expire in about 1 to 2 weeks, not this Friday. And then you want to buy a strike price of maybe around 285 to 290, and you might get some good returns on that one as well. And you can see so far we've had some really good profits off of those ones. Always some great profits with Microsoft. Now, another one that we have here, guys, is AMT. This one looks pretty good. We're looking to, this is a different type of pattern. It's not the same type of breakout. We're looking to break out of an all-time high, basically. We just broke out about it a couple days ago on Friday, and it looks like it's primed to go, as well as we have a golden cross here. The 50-day moving average just crossed above the 200-day moving average all the way back in May, and it's been up ever since. So we're going to see if that upward momentum can continue here. A little bit more of a riskier play than Microsoft, but still you can find some good money there. If you guys are looking to buy options, you want to buy options again that are expiring about 1 to 2 weeks out, and maybe start off at a strike price of 280. That might make them just cheap enough for you guys to buy. And then the next one we have here is FTNT. This one's been looking good. A different play altogether. You can see we've been in 2 different trend lines right here. It's been looking like it wants to have a little bit of a spike up here, which could lead to actually a gap up. Now, we had a golden cross all the way back in December, and it's been looking good ever since then. And on top of that, you know, it just looks nice. We've had a little bit of support here at 236. So if you guys are looking to buy some shares of this, or you guys are just looking to buy a potential breakout, make sure your stop loss is at 236. If you guys are looking to buy some options, you want to look for a strike price maybe around 255 to 260, especially if they're a little bit cheaper. This one looks decent, but it might take a little bit more time to actually boom up here, so just keep a close eye on this one. And last but not least, that we have APH. This one actually looks, this one's a little bit maybe a week or more hold on it, but you can see this is primed to go. A couple of you guys were asking me, hey Michael, what can I trade maybe 2 to 3 weeks from now when I have some crypto off the table, basically? And this is one of those that you should have on your watch list. I have a new watch list right here that I'll show you guys, but this one, if this one breaks out above maybe, let's say around 70 bucks, maybe $71, this one could be primed to go all the way back up to 76 bucks. So if you guys are looking to buy an option here, wait a little bit, wait for a good chance of a breakout, because it might come back down here to consolidate one more time before it makes that big pop up here. But this one also looks very good. Take some time, reevaluate this position. But so far, it had a split all the way back in March, but it looks like it's been doing great ever since. And because of that, you know, I'm expecting this thing to probably go back up towards maybe 80 bucks if we're lucky on a nice pump here, which could be like, this could be a big move, guys. So we'll be talking about this a lot throughout the week, as well as FTNT, AMT, and my favorite right now is Microsoft. This thing could have some really fantastic gains as long as the S&P is still, you know, pretty bullish into this week. All right, everybody, have a fantastic rest of your day, and please make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thanks, everyone.